To all our loving founders in Onpassive, we are on the threshold of a momentous event in the history of the internet. Very soon this event is going to change the lives of millions of people who have hoped, dreamed, prayed about how they could be able to make money on the internet. That momentous event is the vision of Mr. Ash Mafara. He created a company that is going to go down in history as the company built with love for people. There has never been anything like this company. Love was the missing ingredient that other companies do not have. Mr. Mafara recognized what was missing, and he has created love as the compelling ingredient in his creating this company called Onpassive. For the first time, anyone who's looking to make money on the internet will be able to do just that. No one will be left behind. Imagine all of this. Millions upon millions of lives will be affected in a positive way. Onpassive will be that knight in shining armor that will rescue those who become a part of Onpassive. Words cannot express the love that we all have for Mr. Mafara and staff for giving us this magnificent gift called Onpassive. Gone will be lack of and replaced by abundance of. We are totally excited about what we know. Soon the whole world of the internet will be changed forever. Hi, my name is Sousa, a heart-centered leader. My team and I are on a mission to lead other like-minded, heart-centered business leaders that are ready to make a bigger impact in their lives, their communities, and around the world. Please review my website and reach out to me personally with any questions you might have. The future looks extremely bright. If you see what I see, let's work together. For more information about heart-centered leadership or Onpassive, visit my website at www.mariosousa.net.